Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Wings of Love Treasures. So today we're going to go through these earrings. I've been asked to make a video of me going through these earrings. People like to watch, see if we find any matches from the last box. We had so many, I couldn't do it on the video because it takes up so much time. So I'm going to go through them now and see what we find. It'll probably be a real short video because I don't know if we have a lot of matches. But we'll see what we see. Okay, this is a silver tone. It's just really thin. Let's see if we can't match that up. Here's a butterfly earring. Black and white. Well, if I can get it unhooked. There we go. Black and white butterfly. These are real thin too. There's some black paint coming off of that one. Here is a hoop. Put that over there. Oh, I love these. I wonder if there's a name on them. There is. What does it say? Does that say Monet? It does. It's Monet. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, here's the match. Okay, so we have both of those. Nice. There's some wear on them, but that's okay. If nobody wants them, I'll put them in my collection of Monet. Okay. We have another hoop. That one's cute. It's supposed to look like pewter, I think, but it's not. Oh, maybe it is. This isn't sticking, so we'll see. But that one's cute. Okay. Oh, look at that one. Wow. That's a post. Okay. I don't see that other one, but we'll keep looking. Here is a black gunmetal. And these are acrylic. Okay, put that one over there. Oh, I like this one. This one's gunmetal, and these are also acrylic. That's pretty. Here's another silver tone. I was going to say gunmetal, but it's silver tone. Yeah, and these are acrylic also. Dangle. Okay, we have a gold tone post. And this part's really thin. Pretty. We have a white one. This is a clip-on. It's acrylic. Okay. We have a shell. Little faux pearl. White shell. Okay, we have it's kind of a purple. And a rhinestone right there. And I don't think this is sterling. Let me see. Oops. Stuff underneath is picking up. Okay, so we'll put that there. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is acrylic, a little acrylic ball. Looks like a paparazzi. Another, oh, this one's cute. That's acrylic. You know, a little flower. It looks like pewter. Let's see. No, not pewter, but very cute. Oh, I hope we find that one. Okay, we got some more of these little balls. Different colors. We got a bronze and a green. Put that with the other one. We have a hoop. And an oval. That's got some green on it. Oh, look. We have part of it. Of that earring. See if I could see the other part. I could put it back together. Oh, wait, here it is. Yeah, I found it. Wow. So it just came undone right here. And I'll have to close that up tighter. So we have both of these. Wow. I'll have to check and see if all the rhinestones are there. Wowza. Okay, we got a match. Another match. Put those in the center. Wow, look at this one. It's a post. Gold tone. That's acrylic. Wow. And these are acrylic too. No, they're glass. The ones on the bottom are glass. Wow. Okay. We have a... Ooh, this one looks sterling. We've got a silver hoop. I'm not sure. I don't see any... Oh, yeah. Right here. Let's see. 925? Yes. Okay. Cool beans. I'll put that there in the middle. Oh, what is this? This looks like a Kendra Scott, guys. But it looks like it was gold tone here. And gold tone here. And this is all worn off. Oh my, that's funny. But it's definitely a Kendra Scott. Yes. You can tell by the quality. Kendra Scott. Okay, we'll put that up there. Okay, these are all acrylic. These are, oh, my hip hurts so bad. I've been having trouble with my sciatica. And I have never felt such pain. This is just ridiculous. This, well, that's a long one. That's all acrylic. Okay. Here's another little, oh, this is a bell. A little Christmas bell. How cute. Look, it has a a back on it. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. This is acrylic. It's Saturday. Don't mind my ratty sweatshirt. I had to get this cleaned up because I got to do another video. Okay. And that's acrylic. Yeah, I didn't get my video up on Wednesday, so I had to put it up on Sunday. And I think you hear me saying in the video about Wednesday. But my son had finals from college. It was his last week, and he had a bunch of papers to write. And he's my editor. So, yeah, I didn't get that up. This is metal. So, we have to do what he needs because he's got school. So, but it's fine. These are all acrylic, the ones I'm showing you. Now this one, no, that's acrylic too. I don't know, is it glass? Maybe glass. That looks sterling. No. Okay. A lot of these. But anyway, so we're back on track now. We'll be good because he'll be out for the summer. That one's cute. These are our acrylic. Yeah, it's a post. I'm not seeing any matches, guys. Oh, look how cute that is. It's enamel. Was that a little tulip? I don't know my flowers. That's cute, though. You can make that a pendant. I like that. Okay, this is also acrylic. It's a cube. Ooh, what is this one? Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, hammered, gold tone. Very nice. No name on it. It's nice, though. I don't see the other one. Okay, this one is a clip-on. Or screw back. It looks like sterling. Don't know. Yeah, it looks like sterling to me. We'll test it. I'll put it back here with the other sterling. And we have some balls. Go in my craft bag. I got that basket that I told y'all about. Oh, I didn't tell y'all yet. So I went to an estate sale. And I got a basket to put next to my desk to put all my stuff in for crafting. When I say it's going in crafting, I'm going to put it right in the basket. That's cute. I love this moon. Yeah, I'm not crazy about the tassel. I mean, I'm sure if it was washed up, it'd be fine. But I love the moon. So cute. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Little purple rhinestones at the bottom. Yeah. I don't know, guys. It doesn't look good. That's acrylic. Here's another shell. Oh my. Okay, this one's missing the hook. But if we were to find the other one, I would get a hook for it. Okay, I'm having trouble getting this one out. There we go. Okay, these are little shells and these are wood. And these are acrylic. These kind of always remind me of grapes. The ones with all the little acrylic pieces on it. And that's glass. Okay, oh, this is pretty. Oh, I love these stones. These acrylic. No, these are glass. Yeah, those are glass. Crystals, maybe, because that looks like sterling. Oh, not that part. The hook is sterling, though. Yeah, those are crystals. That's pretty. Okay, let's test the hook. This is a faux pearl. Is it? Feels like a faux pearl. But that looks sterling, so I'm not sure now. Okay. We'll look at it closer. That is silver tone. This one is a clip-on. Looks like somebody made this one. Yeah, there's glue on the front, like something else was on the front of it. So, I don't know. Oh, did we find one? An acrylic ball? We did. Look, we have a match. Okay. We got 3 matches. Oh, this is pretty. Little flower. I like that one. Let's see. Oh, everything else picks up. Okay. This one's not picking up, though. So, I'm not sure. It looks silver tone to me. But, better than safe than sorry. We'll test it. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. Little earring. Oops. Gold tone. It's turned silver tone. Yeah. We got another hoop. And that one looks gold tone to me. Yeah, gold tone. I thought it might have a name on it. Sometimes they put names right there. Okay, we have a post. And that one is faux pearl rhinestones. That's pretty. Oh, Roman. That one says Roman. Okay, this is gold tone. Hammered. That's cute. Here's another gold tone. I don't think we had a gold tone ball. Okay. Little heart. I believe it's silver tone. It looks like it's silver tone. Yeah. Goodness gracious. This isn't picking up, but I don't think it is silver tone. I mean, sterling. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta get that off. But I'll put it back there. Oh, look, we found this one. Oh, I'm so happy. I just gotta get hooks for them. The little enamel flowers. Those look old. Yeah, I like those. Cool. Okay, we have a faux acrylic pearls and some green acrylic. Oh, I like this one too. Yellow flower. These are glass. Yeah, no name. Here's another one. That's acrylic. This is wood. Brown wood. Oh, what is this one? Oh, I don't know. This is a toe ring. Looks silver tone to me. Not picking up, but I'm pretty sure it's silver tone, but I'll look at it better. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that purple. Wow. That is gorgeous. Let's see if it has anything on it. I don't see anything. I'm gonna look at it real quick. No, I don't. Yeah, it does. Oh my goodness. It says 14K. Okay, that says 14 karat gold. And I don't know what that is. That is beautiful. Okay, we'll test that one and the stone. Nice. Okay, that's acrylic. Red. This one is all acrylic. Gold tone. Has a little lever back. Oh, this is a little circle with a red acrylic stone in the middle. This one is brass tone. And that's cute. Lock and key, fleur-de-lis. Very cute. Any name on it? No names on that one either. Okay. Another little hook. Okay, this is a post with some cobra chains, and these I believe are acrylic. Green. They look green. We have another little hoop, little baby hoop. It looks silver tone. Got a lot of hooks, which is nice because if we need hooks, it's nice to have them. Ooh, that's pretty. You think that one's sterling? A little filigree work. Sometimes these are and sometimes they aren't. So, let's see. Oh, yeah, it's picking up. Look. So, that one's probably not. No. Oh my goodness. There's a chain. I gotta get out of here. This one is a leaf. Oh my goodness, that leaf just does not want to stay away from the magnet. Okay, it's a little leaf. And it's a post, silver tone. It's very lightweight. You know, a lot of chains. Okay, we have another acrylic, black, and we don't have that one. We only got a couple more, guys. Doesn't look good. Okay, this is glass. Yeah. This one is brass tone. Little beads. They're all acrylic. These are acrylic too. Brass tone. And a pink one. Acrylic, faux pearl. Looks all beat up. And another hoop. Yeah, and I think that is silver tone. Yeah. Well, we didn't match any, guys. Oh, we got one more. I mean, we only matched a few. We matched a few, but we didn't match a lot. Okay, that had something on the end of it and it came off. So we don't need that one. Yeah, so we got all these earrings. I'll show you. And none of those have matches. Okay, so we only got a few matches. We got these right here. And these. I'm glad we found these. It's so cute. And I love the Monet. Love the Monet. And I will test this stuff back here. And still got to test the stuff over here. So that's it. All right. Have a wonderful day. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye. Mwah.